Hello, my friend Will here with the XAUUSD.com, and we are back again with my one of my favorite setups for the week ahead. It is the 5th of December 2021, and in this video, I'm going to go over one of my most favorite setups for the trading week ahead. I've got quite a good few trading setups for the this week, but I couldn't obviously give you them all, otherwise it'd be unfair to my paying clients. So I've had to choose the best one, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly what it is. So before we actually get into the video and the analysis, if you're new to the channel and haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. Okay, so the setup I'm going to be looking at is on the Euro Swiss franc. Okay, it's one I've been kind of looking to trade for a few weeks now. Didn't go my way last week, and again this week I'm going to re-enter it when the markets open on uh, Monday or Sunday evening, Monday morning, wherever you are in the world. Okay, so first thing, if you're new to my channel and you want to understand how I trade the markets, I take a top-down perspective of the markets where I look for trading levels in the higher time frames, usually the weekly and the monthly, supply and demand levels, support and resistance, institution levels, whatever you want to call them, just higher levels areas in the chart where large players are likely to come into the market and you're likely to get a lot of volatility in the areas, which means movement, which means profits. Okay, so first thing I'm looking at here is the monthly charts on the Euro Swiss franc, and you can see here that we are coming right down into this area. We are now in it, this monthly zone here, okay, from 2015, okay. It's been slowly making its way down to it over the past 4 months, or the past year more or less, and it's coming into it now. So we've got this monthly level where prices entered. If we actually look at the weekly charts, okay, we want to zoom out and see if we can find a weekly zone inside this monthly zone, and you can see we are now at the bottom of it here, and we also have a support level right here, more or less where price is now. Okay, that's the bottom of that weekly zone. So what I want to look for now is evidence of price action slowing down. First of all, I want to point out that this huge run down already on, okay, I think this is like a 12-week straight drop, 12 red candles in a row. This is very rare you see this. I've said in previous videos that I've done, when you see this kind of pattern here, over anything over 10 weeks in a row, like this, red candles or bull candles, it is highly likely the market is going to retrace to the upside. Okay, so high probability setup. What I want to look for now is evidence of price action is slowing down. Okay, so we're going to zoom into the lower time frames and see if there's any change of structure in this trend down on the lower time frames. Okay, so see it's very choppy as it's coming in. It is a very steep descent in this on the daily chart. It is very choppy. Okay, if we can't really see much change there. If you, these drops, there's buys and bull candles and sell candles, bull and sell candles. Okay, all the way down into the area. What I'm really looking for is divergence happening inside this area here. We can see on the 4-hour charts here, we're getting that on Friday. Okay, it did drop a little bit more, but I am expecting this to, it could possibly drop down 10 or 20 more pips, but this should next week. Okay, there's a high probability that we will get the breakout to the upside on this pair this week. Okay, so that's a setup, very basic setup for me. We've got a monthly level, we have a weekly level, lower time frames, we've got evidence that price action is slowing down with the divergent signals, etc. When this takes off, it will be just one big bullish candle. You can see it happens quite, it'll be something like this here candle here. It will just take off. Okay, the target for this area is going to be obviously the start of the leg up here, which is around about 108. Okay, so let's get into the actual the setup. Okay, so I'm just going to enter this when the market opens on Monday. Okay, well, I'm in Asia, so it'll be Sunday evening where you are in the world. And So for some reason my text writer is not working. Okay, so insert text. So it is buy Euro CHF at 1.038. Okay, that's the buy. Stop loss, we're going to do 130 pip stop loss. Two five. And take profit again, I said before, 108. Again, I'm really liking the setup for the week ahead, just based on the price action, based on this huge drop, 12 straight candles in a row. It's really, really rare. That rarely happens in the markets. So it is a high probability we will get a retracement. And like I said, it'll be one big bullish candle that will come out of nowhere. Okay, likely on the daily charts. Okay, so that's the setup for the week ahead. It disappeared there for some reason. Yeah, so that's it. Buy Euro Swiss franc at 1038, basically when the market's open. Stop loss 1025 and take profit is 108. Okay, so great setup for the week ahead. If you want to get access to my full list of trades, simply click the link in the description area. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. Have a fantastic trading week, and I shall see you on the next video. Okay.